welcome to this episode of Sailing Frida of Visby. In this episode we will do several visits to the workshop where they are building our solar arch, and we will also do some projects of our own, some minor projects, and also manage to do some excursions. We are visiting an old Islamic fishing village. Welcome to Sailing Frida of Visby. We are a middle-aged couple that has left our hectic working life for a life where plants are written in the sand. We have sailed from the chilly Sweden in the Nordic countries along the Atlantic coast of Europe to the Mediterranean Sea. We sail to enjoy the pleasure of the sea, see amazing places, eat good and meet new people. Sometimes we do maintenance and projects, and we want to share our sailing life with you. This is Frida of Visby, our Key 47 Pilot Saloon.
My name is Anders.
I am Gitte, and this is Litsa, the truly free spirit on board. This is the first part of our solar arch build, and we will soon go and see it. Why do we want a solar arch? Well, the main reason, of course, is that we want more power to the boat. We feel that if we are going to stay out, maybe in an anchorage or something, for a longer period of time, then we would need to run the generator quite a lot, and that's not something that we want to do. So we wanted more solar power. But as we got the idea of building a solar arch, we also then thought, maybe we could add some more features. So I want also kayak holder, and we want it to be davits for the dinghy, and also mounting place for our grill and our flag. So that's the task that we have given Sokumar to help us with. The first site of our new arch, it's going to be very similar to that one over there. We discovered a problem with the back and the back leg on the arch, because it's too narrow, because it goes in the top, so it's more narrow than in the bottom, and that makes that it's not wide enough for our dinghy to hang up in the top like that one, the way we want it. So good that we came down here so we could discuss it before they managed to do too much work. It's pretty easy, I think, to change it now.
Will it be so that when it's up out there, will you be able to turn something to lock it out? Because otherwise when you lift it, it will fall into the...
And this is
so easy.
our new solar panels.
Just put it, we can turn them.
It's okay. Not so
Don't
easy.
want to get out.
We just turn it to.
It's happy to be there.
Yeah, we do it like that. It's easy. just leave it come.
Oh, okay, you lifted it up.
Yeah. Okay. That way I can do it this way.
We put it on the table there.
There it is.
That's the solar panel.
It looks nice.
Perfect.
And big. Anders is going to make our new red and white cockpit light dimmable. Okay, so it's working.
Yep.
And where will that button be?
In here.
Switch.
In here.
Okay.
I'm putting this in here. Så ser det nästan ut som det skulle vara så från början.
Det är fint. Looks good.
This you can take off to take this away, but when I solder this in or put this in here, I won't be able to take that loose, so this will be hanging. Job done. Red,
Red. Blinking.
dim,
dim,
Off, on, white full,
blinking,
white dim.
but still blinking.
No, not blinking.
Aha, it's blinking on my camera.
Yeah,
Okay,
but that's your camera's problem.
that's the camera. Sorry. Now it's time for our second check on the solar arch. It's so fun to see the arch take form. It's almost like seeing a puppy grow up. Our new arch.
Between our ones.
If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to continue to follow our journey and our projects. Just told us?
Will this be
is
straight?
32
compared to
millimeters,
this,
and this
this
is
is more angled
48.
than this one. Will they both be, when it's straight up, will they be straight?
Okay, let's peek into the workshop and see what they're doing. This is the frame which the panels will be mounted on. Okay, now in the weekend we do a trip to the ruins of an old Islamic fishing village. And we are on our way to an old Islamic fishing village. And I just had to stop and film this beautiful landscape. This is the road we are driving on.
Ja, det var här uppe vad det finns till bil.
It's really tiny houses. It's barely that a person would have been able to lay down, or it's more or less exactly that. So it's not big, but it had a fantastic view, but it must have been extremely windy up there. So normally old villages are not placed as high, and if there were fishermen, it must have been difficult to carry up all the fish. But probably was some reason, but for me it would have been more logical to have a village up there somewhere. I had hoped that that restaurant over there would have been open, but unfortunately it's closed. End of anonymity. We put our YouTube channel name on the boom. Putting on a sticker with our channel name, YouTube channel name. Exciting to see how it comes. Good so far. You have to pull it off really slowly. Yeah, there it was. Now we need the YouTube logo and our own Frida Visby logo.
Okej, ska vi prova dem?
Exciting to see what it looks like. It really looks good. And with those,
Nope.
you got a problem?
Yes.
Beautiful. How do you think it looked? Please leave a comment down below. There it is.
Beautiful.
And now over to another little project. I'm oiling the cockpit table. Now the table looks nice and dry. There is a few spots that we haven't got rid of, but most of it looks really nice. So I will oil it. This is the teak oil I'm using. It's the same that you can use for gardening furniture, and it contains Chinese teak oil or wood oil, and I always look for that because it doesn't get as sticky. I like to apply oil with a cloth to get it nice and even, not too much at a time. Oops. So there you can see the difference between the oil teak and the non-oil teak. It will soak in and get brighter again, but this is the first time. I usually oil it twice, so when I do this, but it needs to soak in between. Oh, now the table is all oiled. I'm proud of how it looks, but it also smells really good here in the cockpit from the Chinese wood oil. Okay, we can't hold back on our curiosity. We need to do a third visit to the yard. This is a frame.
One 305 watt panel in each of those three.
Yeah. Solar panel.
And then one 220 in front of it.
Yeah. And the whole
boom and this.
thing will be like an arch on the back. It's looking good.
It's really nice.
Now it really begins to take form and it's big. Let's go inside. Okay, this is for the Davids, so he's going to show us.
This is the middle.
Okay.
Okay, so it will
Okay.
sit like that.
Building, and same.
Same down there, yeah. I see. I understand.
Okay.
And they will still be high enough to be above my Bimini.
Bimini is done. Is
The Bimini is down here something. Yeah, so this is high enough.
Yes, yeah. But Bimini, I think the Bimini is here for
It ends there, okay.
Yeah. We really enjoy being part of the process and discuss the design details with Paolo. Stay tuned to hear what's coming in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this episode. In the next episode, we will continue even more with the Solar Arch and some other projects. We continue our Solar Arch series next weekend.